On the front line of a new viral epidemic, there's no room for error. Carefully, doctors in Wuhan put on their suits and masks. Their best chance of protection against the potentially deadly coronavirus. The sickness that started in their city has built in strength and seeped out, sending infection rates in China rocketing 50% in just 24 hours.
From our observation, the disease can be spread during the incubation period. The incubation period lasts for 10 days. The shortest is 1 day, the longest is 14 days. This is very different from SARS.
2 emergency hospitals are now being built to deal with the sick. But the spread of coronavirus is accelerating. Unverified pictures appear to show hospital wards overwhelmed, patients filling the corridors. In others, doctors seem at breaking point. To try to ease the strain, the military sent in reinforcements, health workers from the People's Liberation Army. And as China struggles to contain the disease, millions of people are under some level of lockdown. The usually busy streets of Wuhan are now eerily quiet. The millions of residents cannot leave, so they've shut themselves away in the hope of staying safe. One British man who asked to remain anonymous told us people are terrified.
It's pretty scary. I mean, we're all kind of just locked up indoors. No one's leaving their apartment unless it's an emergency or to get some supplies. But we're all in contact. All the Brits in Wuhan are in contact through WeChat, so we can always, if there's any new information, we can share that with each other, which has been pretty useful.
And while the majority of infections are still in Wuhan, coronavirus has crossed borders. Canada, the US, France, Australia and Thailand among those treating patients with the virus.
It is likely to grow bigger still. Yes, the Chinese government and the public health authorities have implemented some very stringent measures in China, but we're probably still seeing the upward growth in cases. And
with more than 2,000 patients still awaiting tests, this is just the start. The US and Japan will send planes to Wuhan to get some of their citizens out. There is no such escape route for Chinese residents living at the epicenter. Siobhan Robbins, Sky News.